Hello students, how are you all? I hope so you all are fine. I, Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today we will learn one interesting topic in English. Standard 1. Our topic is the cat and white sheep. The cat and white sheep. Children, before we start the lesson, look at the picture and tell me what can you see in this picture? Yes, it is a picture of a sheep. Sheep. Yes or no? So children, where do we find them? Can you think? Yes, sheep are found in village. Sheep are found in village. They are useful to us. Yes or no? So children, sheep are useful to us to give us wool. They live in farms. Farmers keep them in their farms. So, this is a picture of a sheep. Children, look at this picture carefully. What can you see in the picture? There are sheep. So, sheep are grazing on the open ground. Sheep are grazing on the open ground. As you can see clearly in the picture. And sheep graze weeds. Children, what do you mean by weeds? Weeds means the unwanted plant, the small unwanted plant. So, the sheep ate all the unwanted small plants. Children, look at the picture carefully and tell me what can you see in this picture? It is a picture of a black cat. So children, some of the people keep the cat in their house. They keep as their tame animal. Yes or no? So in this lesson, we will see about a black cat. Especially children, you see the cat on the roadside sometimes, yes or no? And sometimes you can see some of the people as they love to keep them in the house. They keep the different colors of the cat like black color, white color, spotted color. Yes or no? So here in this lesson we will see about the black cat. How the black cat and the white sheep is having a friendship. Okay children, so this is a picture of a black cat. Children, now let us start with our lesson for today. It was cloudy outside. The black cat and the white sheep played on the green grass. So children, as you can see in the picture, the black cat and the white sheep played on the green grass. In the first picture, you can see that. And it was cloudy outside. The sky was cloudy. Okay. The black cat and the white sheep played on the green grass. So children, you can see in the second picture, the sheep. And in the first picture, you can see the black cat and the white sheep. So children, let's see the next part. After some time, they both got tired the cat and the sheep sat under the tree. So children, you can see in the picture the cat and the white sheep. So every day the black cat visit the sheep. They were playing every day. They were playing every day. After playing together, they got tired. So the black cat and the white sheep sat under the tree. They sat under the tree. You know children, when playing, when you are also playing, when you get tired, you take some rest, no? So same way, the cat and the sheep also take some of the rest. Next, they both got hungry. The cat ate some meat. Now children, after some time when they were playing, after some time, they felt hungry. Okay, they feel tired also. So they sat under a tree. We have seen. But now they both are feeling hungry. And the cat ate some meat. As you can see in the picture, the cat ate some of the meat. You can see in the picture clearly the cat ate some of the meat. The sheep ate weeds. They both got full. The cat and the sheep were happy. So children, the cat ate the meat as we have seen, and now sheep ate the weeds. So they both got full. They were satisfied. They got satisfied. Their stomach was full. So the cat and the sheep were happy. So children, when you are also playing, you are getting tired. What you do after coming home? You ate some food. Yes or no? So same way the cat and sheep, they are satisfied. They got satisfied and their stomach was full. So they were happy. So children, this was our lesson. So children, now let us see the lesson. Let us read the lesson and I will tell you in short what is there in the lesson. So, the name of the lesson is The Cat and the Sheep. The Cat and the White Sheep. So, let us read first. It was cloudy outside. The black cat and the white sheep played on the green grass. After some time, they both got tired. The cat and the sheep sat under the tree. They both got hungry. The cat ate some meat. The sheep ate some weeds. They both got full. The cat and the sheep were happy. So children, in this lesson we have seen from the beginning, the cat and the white sheep are together. They are playing together and they are playing on the green grass. They played on the green grass. And when they got tired, they sat under a tree. And after some time, when they felt hungry, they ate some of the food. So, the cat ate some meat and the sheep ate some of the weeds. And when they got full, they were satisfied. So, the cat and the sheep were satisfied and happy. So, children, the cat and the white sheep are happy when they got the food. So, children, this was our lesson, the cat and the white sheep. Is that understood? Let us see. There is one activity for you. So, the activity is fill in the blanks with correct letters. So, first word is, yes, S-H-E-E-P, ship. Second word is M-E-A-T, meat. Third word is W-E-E-D-S, weeds. Okay, children? Now, let us see your homework. Your homework is draw and color the picture of a ship in your book. So children, you have to do the drawing and coloring in your book, a picture of a ship. Thank you children.